Morning student, welcome to the virtual classes of Jet Kids. Today I will give you the question and answers of chapter 2. Okay, see, you have to note down each and every answers in your textbook, because in your textbook it has the place for writing the answers. Same way you have to write down the answers, and I will send you the PDF of these answers. Okay, sorry. Yes. Now I will explain you first of all fill in the blank. Question number 1. Question number A, fill in the blank 1. First answer is hard disk. The main storage device is hard disk. Okay. Second, 8 bits make a byte. Okay. After that, third, computer stores data in the form of 0 and 1. Fourth, 1 kilobyte is a combination of 1024 bytes. Got it? Note down these answers. Next, question number B. Name the following devices. First is your pen drive. Second one is CD. Third one is memory card. Fourth, RAM. Fifth, hard disk. Sixth, external hard disk. Got it? Note down. When I am giving you the answers, stop this video, take out your textbook for answers, for preparation, for writing this, and with me also you can write down. Okay? Okay, good. Now C, question number C. It is also fill in the blank. The first answer is ROM is a primary memory where startup instructions are stored. Second, 1 megabyte is equal to 1024 KB. Third, secondary memory is also known as external memory. Fourth, floppy disk was the storage device used earlier. Fifth, we can use a pen drive to transfer data from one computer to another. Sixth, RAM is a temporary primary memory. I hope you can see all the answers properly. Everything is written there only, everything is present there only. You have to concentrate and then write down the answers. Okay, now we will see this question number, I think this is your D, and circle the odd one out and give the reason also. So I encircle RAM here because RAM is the primary memory and the others are the secondary memory. Okay, see, this is your RAM, this is the primary memory and others are the secondary memory. So RAM, it is a primary memory and others are secondary. Second, for second, hard disk, because it is not portable, others are portable. CD you can take with you. Portable means we can carry that thing with you from one place to another. Hard disk, CD, pen drive, and that external device also you can take with you from one place to another. But internal hard disk you can't take it with you from one place to another. You have to take out. That's why hard disk is not portable, others are portable. Okay, I hope you are noting everything properly. Next, one minute. Now see this question. Question number E. For question number E, you have to read the textbook, okay, and then you have to find out the answer. You know, ascending order, you have to write down the ascending order of this line. This question is for you. Everything I will not give, some work you have to do yourself. So this question you have to do, and you have to send me your answers with your name on our group. Okay, good. Now F, answer these questions. Name the two types of computer memory. Name the two types of computer memory. Two types of computer memories are primary and secondary memory. See, right, two types of computer memory are primary and secondary memory. Okay, two types of computer memory are primary and secondary memory. I hope you have written this answer. Next, Write any one difference between the RAM and ROM. Now one difference between the RAM and ROM you have to write. RAM, it stores data and instruction temporarily. ROM, it stores data and instruction permanently. Okay, it stores data and instruction, one storing temporary and one is storing permanently. That you have to write down. Okay, now next question. What is the use of secondary memory? Give any two examples. Now see, what is the use of secondary memory? Give any two examples. It is used to store information for a long period of time. Example, pen drive. It is used to store information for a long period of time. Okay, why secondary memory is used? RAM and ROM are temporary and permanent. They are storing things, but for long time you have to store. For long period, if you want to store anything, that is secondary memory only you can use for that. That, for example, pen drive, hard disk, CD, DVD, all these things, they are storing everything for a long period of time. Anytime if you want to open, you can find out those things. Got it? It is used to store information for a long period of time. Example, pen drive and CD. Now fourth, why pen drives are more popular than CD and DVD? Very easy answer. So pen drive is portable and can be carried in a pocket. See, it is, pen drive is portable and can be carried in a pocket. Its storage capacity can be 1 TB. TB means terabyte than that of CD and DVD. It can store more than CD and DVD, and also it is portable. That's why pen drive nowadays is more popular than CD and DVD. Now question number 5. What is a byte? Combination of 8 bits is a byte. Simple. Combination of 8 bits is a byte. Now 6. What is hard disk? What is its maximum storage capacity? Now what is hard disk? It is the main secondary storage device. Okay, it is the main secondary storage device that stores large amount of data permanently. Its storage capacity is 500 GB to 5 TB. Okay, its storage capacity is 500 GB to 500 what sorry, answer is GB to TB. Yes, right, 500 GB to 5 TB. Got it? Very good. You have to note down all these things properly, and I am sending you the PDF of these answers. Okay, you will get which whatever the PPT I have kept here, that I will send you in a PDF form to your group, so that you can write down the answers, because every answer writing in the video is not easy also. So I will send you the answers. Now I hope you have understood chapter number 1 also and chapter number 2 also. So both the chapters I have given question and answers also. I will take test on Google form one day. I will inform you one day before only, so you have to be ready for that also. Okay, so once again I will show pages. See properly. Now next I will last see these answers also. If you want to note down these things. I hope you are getting everything. See, everything is visual for you. You can see everything. Okay, now last. Fill in the blanks. Okay, I hope you are noting everything. Note down everything. In our interactive session we will see the whatever the doubts are there for you. Okay, thank you so much. Be at home, don't go anywhere, stay home, stay safe. Thank you.